now about 12 hours into a power outage. Soon, if nothing happens, we're going to empty our fridge, and we're just going to take the contents thereof and go set them outside.
We're starting to clear out the fridge.
I was actually going to toss them out to the chickens, but Papa says he likes them.
How long have we been without power so far?
17 hours.
Just got an update that they still have no idea when the power is coming back on.
Okay, so right now we're out here at our fridge, and it's just our smokehouse right now. It's just the third shelf of our smokehouse, and eggs and leftovers here and stuff. So that's our fridge right now, and right now, as you can see, the snow is melting. And right now it's like 40, and so everything's melting. 17 hours and 43 minutes. That's how long the power's been out, and they still don't know when we're getting it on, so we'll see about that. But we're gonna go down and deworm the sheep, and some people are out here playing in the snow right now.
And right now, sorry.
Do you have the sheep dewormer?
Yes.
Are we gonna go deworm them?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
No, I'm not out here playing.
Oh, you don't want to come with us to deworm them? No? Okay, here. I'll take it. You're gonna hold that. All right, let's go. Yep. Grab them and let's go. So you are coming? Okay.
Hey, Dad, all of us, David. Look at
Here's the gate over here. Come through it. Just untie it. You're the tallest one and you know the password?
I'm not a thing. Deworming! I'm David! Get this last one.
Alright, here we are, and if you see, there's a chicken in there. There's a chicken who has a nest in here. Open this. Alright, are you coming in or are you going to stay out? Oh yeah, you're going to come in. Here, come in here.
I don't want Dad to get me.
It's okay. We won't have him get you. Alright, so here, can you wait here, girls? There's a chicken that.
Oh.
Here, we'll go in here and start off. There she is. Here, we're not gonna scare this hen too much. Her nest is over there. Wonder if she laid her egg. Alright, where's the syringe? Open it. Belle had it.
Go.
Let's start over there. Alright, do you have the syringe still?
Yeah.
Alright, bring us our first sheep. Here, can you give me the syringe?
I will get you.
Hey, don't chase them, alright? Here we go. Alright,
I got home.
I got one.
I want to have this one, so when you are done, it's open. Now what's this one?
How many have you done? Just happy. Okay. Alright, hey, open up. Hey.
Happy you did it. Please.
Alright. Oops, came out a little. Put any that are done in the stall, I guess. Which they won't all fit in there, but you bring me another sheep. Here. Rosie.
40 but 9 feet, but
She
now.
still is.
Yeah, but I think we're gonna reveal mine, but we're gonna keep on saying, yeah, you know, you have back it down now. It's
No,
mine.
I'm putting it too fast. All right, another one. Okay. We'll just get Recess in there too, because she isn't done yet. Only 3.
One of them did all the bubbles, got one of them. After the next one. See, it's ready on top. See, now the road done. Then, over the flies. No.
Is everyone done here now?
One of them is it with one home here.
Hey, he loves deworming.
One of them, you didn't get the thing.
Hey, go, buddy.
Okay.
She just let another one out that didn't get it.
All right, I think Cricket
And Speckles.
and Speckles and Crazy Ear Horns.
And that one did it.
Okay, I'll get Crazy Horns.
Okay, I'll get these ones out quickly.
That one.
All right, just
Fluffy. So this is Fluffy. Come here. She's up here. They're just staying warm up here. And then, is Cougar here? Oh yes, there's Cougar. And here is Cougar. And he is Fluffy's nephew. Yeah, so those are the 2 cats that we're keeping. Come here. Oh, bye. So they're up here in the top of this barn, and there's the hen. She's not very happy that we came down there. And then for our sheep, we just deworm them once a week. We do an herbal dewormer, and so that's why we do it once a week. And some of them really like it, like the taste of it, and others don't. But I mix it with molasses, right?
Yep.
So we're gonna head over to the cow, and then probably the chickens and stuff after that. Okay, so here is my puppy Akiva, and she looks kind of sad because she is sad. She's hooked up right now, which she usually isn't ever hooked up, but she's hooked up right now because we have our food at the smokehouse, and we don't want her getting any of it. Akiva. Yeah. And so she is hooked up so that she can't get any of it. And so we're gonna deworm the cow. But here's the rabbits. This is Clover. And this is Mittens. And this is Midnight. And Midnight. Ouch! He almost bit my finger. Well, he tried. Hurt a little bit. And here's Midnight's mom, Violet. And here's Midnight's sister, Donut. So those are our rabbits, and they're staying nice and warm. Sometimes when they're littler, we'll put 2 in one cage so that they can snuggle up. Ooh, it's dripping. You know, I just went the easy way. All right, hop in there.
She's not happy.
She looks kind of happy.
Well, she's happy.
Anyways, but in here is our Dexter cow. Xenia, open the gate.
Why are you doing that?
No.
That was frozen.
All right, take that. She just gets one of those, which is her least favorite thing. Alrighty, so you just get to be the camera lady as I give this animal her dewormer. Right, Xenia? Xenia?
Alright, here you go.
Alright, now just she knows what we're doing, and she isn't very happy. I just have to tie her up right there, so just hold this.
Okay.
I probably won't be the most steady camera stand, but I'll try.
Alright, come here. So, when I give Xenia her dewormer, she has to get tied up because otherwise it's kind of not really possible to give it to her. So, it's hard anyway if you don't tie her up. So, come here. Right.
Need to get her a little tighter. Alright. Xenia.
She does not like her dewormer.
Alright, there you go. She makes it terrible. Herself. She makes
Yeah.
it herself. Make it terrible. And then she'll tip her head like this when you try to put it in her mouth, and then it ends up on the ground, but she got it. Now she's mad. And then she'll go stand with her head in the corner so it all falls out of her mouth. But she swallowed some of it. Most of it. Alright.
As long as it's clean. Okay. It's a little hard to see them. It's a little hard to see these guys. Because it's dark. No, it isn't. With that one little duck there. And these chicks here. So yeah. I'm right there. That barred rock rooster. Right there. He's going to be my breeder for my other barred rocks. And it looks like they like the snow better than their water. Let's give them some of it. Here you go. Sorry. Was not trying to scare you. Okay. There you go. So that's a little Muscovy duckling, which I guess he's kind of big, but these are his friends, just our little chicks, and they seem to really like the snow, so.
I guess they're not too little anymore.
Yeah, I guess not. Alright, anyways, now we get to go to the chicken pen. Let's see. There's Xenia. Yeah, we have to deworm Akiva and Shiva. But I'm going to have to make another dewormer, I think, to do that. Which it's really easy. I just mix everything together. Look at her mouth. It's foaming.
Yep.
It doesn't taste bad.
She
I mean, I've tried it.
She just tries to somehow wear it off her mouth.
Yeah, and she doesn't really. She isn't happy if she doesn't like the syringe. Alright, anyways, I'm going to scoop out her cow pies quick. You can set that down and, yeah. Hurry up, sit down. So Xenia, she is a Dexter, and she is only 40 inches tall. She's a short leg. And she will be 3 this year. Yeah, alright, just hold that right there. So, I scoop out her poop every day to keep in here nicer. Because if I didn't scoop out her poop, it'd be kind of like a mud pit. Kind of ruins the nice looking snow though. Hey, you don't have to foam at your mouth. It isn't bad. We're gonna get Xenia some water too. Which we gotta get from inside because we have some buckets of water that we saved up before the electricity went out so that we could still give our animals water. So
Well, I forgot about that.
Yeah, I was like, oh, we'll just take that bucket right there to the chicken pen, but we can't do that. Well, there is some water in the pipes, but we're not supposed to use it, and so we don't. And there isn't much anyway, so. Alright. Her pen looks nicer. She has a bunch of hay to eat, so. Here, because you did kind of good, I'll give you some off. Alright, come on. Oh, I got it. Okay. But another way to get water is right here. The eaves, they drip a whole bunch of snow melt off here, and like right here, it's full of water. I'm gonna put this in her water just to get us started. Oh, come on, you had to poop already. Now I'm just gonna put that back. Okay. Right there. Alright, and that will have some water for us later. But like I said, we're gonna
have to go inside to get her some water.
Okay, the dewormer's up by your.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave it there for a second because we're gonna go to the chicken pen. I'm telling you. All right, so over here we have our poultry, and there's our van. It got stuck. Is it on still?
Yeah.
Oh, he must have forgot.
Go.
Go tell him that it's on. That's been on for quite a while. Or maybe he's trying to, I don't know what he's doing. But I think he forgot it was on. Anyways, over here, we have our poultry. And the ones that like the snow the most are the ducks. Then the turkeys, they're good with the snow. So, here's our turkey. I believe there are 6 months old. And those 3 right there are Tom's. And those 2 in the back are the ones we'll keep. And this one right here we're going to eat. And that's our hen. So, we have 4 turkeys left from what we originally got. And what time is it? Let me see what time it is. 5:06, so it's time to start locking up these guys before it gets too dark. So that's what I'm gonna do, and y'all get to come with me. Alright, we're gonna start off with the ducks. This is Flurry. She's one of our best flyers. Alright, Flurry, come on. Come on in. Come in. Go in there. Okay, it looks like Flurry doesn't want to go in. Get over here, Flurry. Alright, so here's our ducks. There's Big Tex. He came all the way from Texas, right there. And there's his son, Big Splash. Those are our 2 breeding males. And, whoops, little chicken, you gotta move. Alrighty. Here they come. Flurry, get in here. Here is the duck house. Where is time feeder? So we got a lot of ducks. I think we have here 22 ducks, 20 Musco, 21 ducks, I think. Flurry, is she here yet? Let me see, I think she is. Yes, Flurry is here, and I'm going to check for an egg. I don't know how dark it's going to get. Ooh, pretty dark. I'll leave it a little open. I'm going to check for an egg because there's a chicken that lays, that chicken right there, she lays her eggs in there. So I'm going to see if she laid one. I did get one from in here earlier, but okay. Alright, no eggs in there. Don't go out, Flurry. Alright. Those guineas need to get on the other side of the fence. Which, I'm not locking up the turkeys right now. My sister does those ones. And me and Monster Truck, well, I guess my sister's locked up those ones. But Monster Truck and I do the ducks. Oh, I missed a duck. Oh, I missed Splash. Alright, I'm going to have to get Splash out of there after I lock up the chickens quick. And the chickens, on the other hand, do not like the snow. Oh, there's our snowman. Somebody knocked him over. And they also melted quite a bit. Whoa. So this is my lady's head. This is part of her, well, here's her nose. Right there, it went right there. Right there, probably. And this was her head covering, because I just found one and it gave her something that looked like hair. And then the other chickens are on the roof. Oops. So I'm going to give them their feed here. I'll get these other ones in and give them their little bit of dinner. I'm just giving them a smaller dinner. Oh, wow. 2 more eggs? Really? Wow. I already got 8 eggs today. And right now, we are feeding our chickens just scratch grains. Right there. And we got 8 eggs today. Is that another egg? Does that make a whole... Wow. Here's another egg. Sorry. Okay. Let me get out of here and show you these eggs. Let's see. Whoa, what did I do? So we got 11 eggs today, which is really good, especially it's the coldest day of this whole week. This is the most eggs we've got in one day this whole year, except, which we would get 13 eggs today, but the hen that lays in the barn, we aren't collecting her eggs or her sister's eggs. And her sister is laying in the hay lean-to right across from there, so that would make 13 eggs. But
That's a lot of eggs for today. I mean, not for how many chickens we have, but for the weather and everything. Doing pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna get these last few strays in, and there's my eggs. Brown one, I mean 2 brown ones and a blue green one. Alright, let's see. So they like to walk around this because there's no snow here. And hey, get in. Those are cheaters. See how a little bit of food falls there sometimes? They just sit there and eat it instead of going in. Alright, was that everybody? Yeah, that's everybody. No, there's like not that many on the roosts. Anyways. They don't care they're getting locked up at 5 because they kind of just sit in their house quite a bit of the day anyway. And they're just sitting there. Anyways, I need to catch that duck and going to, ouch, get inside because my feet are freezing. And then when I come back out, I'll get Xenia some water. Alright, so be careful with my precious eggs. I'm gonna catch that duck quick. And yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go catch that duck. And then we'll lock her up and I'll get inside and get my feet warm. Alright, well that was fast. She just went right into the guinea house there and just caught her real quick. So yeah. I'm gonna go put her into the duck pen with the rest of her family. Alright, she's in. Now, going to, I think I'm gonna go inside. Just trying to make sure that's what I have to do. I'm gonna think on my way there. Alright, I'm gonna take my eggs out of here. Hopefully they aren't cracked. And I think this fills up another dozen, which makes 4 or 5 dozen for us in like just a few days. Well, not a few days, maybe a few weeks, but pretty good. So, my brother is going to feed the dogs, and you'll get to see them all. Here's Akiva. I almost had her for 1 year now. Almost. Sit down. Good girl. Say hi to everybody. Yeah. I like the eggs. She looks a little ugly. She needs a bath and a brush. Yeah, and so. Yeah, she's not very used to being hooked up. So she's not being, so she isn't very used to being hooked up. And down there is Shiva. And she jumped the fence because she got excited, I guess, and hopped over there. So we gotta get her back on this side and give the dogs their dinner. And then I gotta deworm Akiva and so I got deworm Akiva and Shiva, but I'll mix up another one and do that after I get warm. And I'll come back out and give Xenia some more water. It looks like they got the generator running, so that means our freezers are
are getting cold again. What did you say?
You know where our fire is?
Our fire pit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. It's right there, and somebody put stuff on top of it.
Oh, big.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, my fingers feel like they're gonna fall off.
Well, I'm gonna go inside and you can come inside with me and warm up. And hey, look what I got. I got some eggs. Hey, come in with me, all right? So you can stay warm.
Over there. Hey,
All right.
we're trying to make a nice snowman.
Oh, you were trying to make a nice snowman, but you didn't have enough or
Not a
something?
big one, so.
Okay. The one over there by the house?
No, monkey right now. No, no. Try having, I'm not trying to be fun. There's a big old one.
Can you make a snow angel?
Huh?
Make a snow angel.
How?
What?
How?
Just lay down and move your hands and feet. Lay down on your back. Or do a face plant or something.
I like doing face plants. I'll do this. So I think we'll do these nice soft ground. I'll go jump up and I'll dive into the ground.
You like doing face plants when there's nice soft snow?
Yeah, I have this like this. It's like huge. When it's snowing and the things are trying to catch mice.
Oh, you're trying to be like little fox? When they try to catch mice when it's snowing, so you put that on your face?
Well, no. I'm trying to
Oh, okay. Are you gonna do a face plant for us? And then we're gonna go inside?
Let me untie this. It's crazy.
He's gonna do a face plant for us.
Put this over. Right here.
All right.
And let's dive in.
Sometimes we watch animal videos and the little foxes will dive into the snow and stuff when they try to catch mice or little animals. So he tries to do that when he plays out in the snow. Did you find something? Did you find something? He was eating snow. That was fun? Alright, let's go inside.
Darling, what are you doing over here?